Ever pondered the profound significance of radar and ARPA in maritime navigation? As an experienced captain, I can attest to their indispensable role in ensuring a safe navigational watch in compliance with the international regulations for preventing collisions at sea. Dive into the world of radar, an acronym for radio detection and ranging. The principle of radar operates on the emission of radio signals that bounce off objects, such as ships, the shoreline, ice, and so forth, and return to a receiver. It's like a game of cosmic ping pong, where the radio signals are the balls and the objects they hit are the paddles. Now meet ARPA, Automated Radar Plotting Aid. ARPA is the diligent assistant that uses radar data to automatically track the motion of objects. It provides information about the course, speed, closest point of approach, CPA, and time of closest approach, TCPA, of other vessels. This information empowers a ship's crew to make maneuver decisions to prevent collisions, enhancing safety on the high seas. Radar frequencies typically range from a few hundred megahertz, MHz, to a few gigahertz, GHz. Commonly used frequencies include the S-band, which spans from 1.5 to 4 GHz, the X-band, spanning 8 to 12 GHz, and the Q-band, spanning 12 to 18 GHz. Each band has its strengths and weaknesses, and the choice depends on specific sailing conditions, including range of view, resolution, and the ability to overcome interference. However, it's crucial to remember that radars have blind spots. These can be caused by structural features of the ship, obstacles in the signal's path, or simply the geometry of the radar beam. These blind spots can be minimized by proper antenna placement and the use of additional systems, such as radars with different frequencies or supplementary antennas. Harnessing the power of radar and ARPA requires not only a technical understanding of these systems, but also the skill to interpret the information received and make informed navigational decisions in real time. This ensures the safety of both the ship and its crew. So, the next time you find yourself charting a course across the deep blue, remember the invaluable role of radar and ARPA in your journey. They are the silent sentinels that guide you through the dark, ensuring a safe passage for all.